Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Project O. Um, it is Sunday evening. Uh, my partner in crime, Andrew, has gone to bed. The project in Project O um, ha, uh, has gone off to get some rest. Um, he did work on his USA Vega earlier today. Not much, but he just worked on his engine. But anyway, just a little bit of update. What's coming up? Some of the things that I have on my workbench, and just mention to a project that has been put out there by Fred Henry from West Georgia Rods and um, Customs, and on an appreciation build for a gentleman that has always commented on our videos since day one. If you guys know the backstory, this channel was started um, for my son Andrew, that wanted to get on a group build uh, of building a cartoon group build with Colonel Reb and Papa Dan. Since then, we've grown. We've grown a little bit. We've had so much fun just looking and building along with many people. A week ago, we participated in the 48-hour group build. He's ecstatic about that little um, Cobra that we put together. Um, I didn't think we could get it done in 48 hours. He said we could get it done in 48 hours. He helped me a ton, believe it or not, and we finished it with a few minor, um, I wouldn't say setbacks, but just a few minor details that I've got to go back and fix. He said he wants to take it to Acme. He's proud of it, and he says that he's going to take it with him when we go up to the model show to see Fred, to see Pappy. So I guess this is going to be sort of an unboxing and an appreciation build that I'll get started for. Like I said earlier, probably my third subscriber, and his name is Old Tom Rambler 69. So let me flip this around and show you guys what I got going on for Old Tom. Alrighty, well, to get started here, Old Tom Rambler 69, like I said, was one of our our first subscribers. Not only that, I don't know how he got our address. We have since moved from the old house that we were in, our other house. Um, he sent us a shop card. One thing that I have found that's been amazing from all the shop cards that we've received over the years, and well, not over the years, over a year. We did get started. Um, we have had our channel for just at a year now. July, I believe the middle of July was when we first started our channel. Andrew and myself. Um, Almost everybody that has sent us a shop card has always sent one to me and has always sent one to Andrew. I find that, very humbling. Don't really have to do that as me and Andrew both share, but for Andrew it's very exciting because he gets a shop card um, that's addressed to him, and it makes him feel very part of this community. Um, but anyway, um, Old Tom, Fred, and everybody else in this community, what I have chosen to put together to work on has been this 1925 Model T. Um, this kit is actually two complete kits in one. So you get two complete kits in this one box. So I will be building both of them, but for Tom's appreciation build, I will put together the probably the drag. Um, Still kind of kind of new to this custom build, as everybody knows by now, or should know by now. My genre is and has always been these goofy little things called NASCAR. I think they're awesome. I enjoy the decaling process of it. I enjoy the detail that goes in it, and they're just they're just fun. They always have been fun, at least to me. It doesn't really matter what anybody else thinks. I enjoy them. If you enjoy watching me put these things together, go ahead and subscribe, as I'm always trying to do new things. Um, this is a sealed kit, so I'll go through it real quick. Just kind of take a look at it. I guess this is going to be a little bit of an unboxing, as I'll kind of sort through. Just sort through the parts. Again, the box art shows the I guess the custom built, just really nice, clean artwork. And what we have here is a chrome. I'll probably leave this in the bag until I go ahead and get it put together. It is a trophy series, and as you guys can see, I get a trophy already. Haven't even put it together, but we've already won something. Clear parts tree. We got some headlights and windows, I guess, for the chop top. I'll slide this over to the side. It does come with an option, tinted windows, orange tinted windows for the custom build, or just clear. You get a ton of wheels with this thing, and that's simply because you do have the 1925 stock car with the wooden wheels. There's a total of I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. I've got 10 wheels total, so you can do use a drag slicks if you want to, some meaties, or you can just use all white wells. They're stamped, and I'm trying to read, but my eyesight's not really good. Race Master dragster. They are axle, and I've got 4 metal axles for both kits. And I guess each individual kit is bagged separately for you. So I will for the sake of this short video here, I'll keep everything together so I don't mix any parts. But it looks like this. This is let me see. It looks like this would be the stock. Well, actually, there's both parties are in here. Let's open them up. That way I don't get it confused. I don't do too many unboxings. And the thing about it is I'm very familiar with my stock cars. I can go through a stock car and pretty much tell you what most of the stuff is. But when it comes to the other aspects of different cars, I'm still learning. I'm still learning this hobby. So here we have both bodies. We have the I guess we have the tub for the dragster, and then the chop top for the custom. Looks like we have a roof. Looks like we have the lower pan with a wooden floor. Got the wooden floor texture. We have the bed for the stock build. So I guess you can make like a little pickup truck. You have the fenders for both builds here. Rear front fenders. So that'll be fun, kind of sorting through, kind of piecing together what goes with what kit. And here is a parts bag for the engine, the motor, wooden wheels, got the stock motor, you got the custom motor, you got firewall, bucket seats, looks like the engine, looks like a flathead, extra wheel, a lot of detail. One sheet of decals. Let's see what those look like. I like my decals, so we'll take a real quick look at these guys. AMT lately has been doing some really good work on their decals, and look at that. And this is without mention a pretty nice set, as you have the Speeding Custom, the Mueller Speedy Custom. You can do Hot Shot, you could do the Moon Eyes, Deviled. It all, you got plenty of options there. You've got the colored hood. Nice set of decals. You can never have too many decals. If you guys have seen some of my stash, I have got notebooks of decals. And then the set of instructions. So the set of instructions shows the actually the 1925 chop top to begin with, and then it is one ginormous sheet that I've probably got everybody confused already, as I've confused myself. This is kind of like old school, fold out, before they had the the newer books, the nicer color books. You have your options, the chop top. You have the convertible. You have a hints page that'll allow you to do different types of bodies. The roadster body, the chop coupe, the chop coupe body with blowers. You do have a cheat sheet for different type of engine, different type of diagrams for your different types of engines, from the Lincoln engine, which is a general engine, I guess, the competition version, your regular Ford Model T engine, and there is enough parts in there to do both, both kits, 2 kits. So whatever you decide to do, like I said, we're gonna go with the chop top for Tom. The chop coupe. Try to get all of this. This is just one ginormous, like I said, one ginormous. This is probably the instructions that I'm gonna follow. You got the bucket seats. You've got the motor, fully decked out headers. Doesn't look like it'll be too challenging. Kind of looks, well, I'm not gonna say basic. There always is challenges. However, I think it'll be fun. Like I said, it's for a good cause. It's for a great person. I hope to meet him at Acme this year. Maybe Andrew and I can get up there early and meet all these guys from the community that will be up there. So you have the Street Roadster, the Model T, pickup with a pickup or without a pickup bed, and then you have the chopped coupe. So have different options. I might go with the Street Roadster. I'm already indecisive in what direction I'm gonna go with, but it'll be fun. I guess in the next couple days when I get started on this build, I will have some decisions to make. I'm sure my colleague Andrew will have something to add on to there, put his 2 cents in. So I guess that's halfway unboxing and an update of what I got going on for Tom, as I continue to work on my number 4 Kevin Harvick for his retirement year. I've been working on several of the Kevin Harvick cars, coming along real good, and then whatever Andrew comes up with. He's got some pretty cool stuff going on. He's kind of switched it up a little bit from the snap kits to the glue kits, and I think he's doing an amazing job. In the mix of all of this, I also got a somewhat of a commission build for a really nice gentleman that I worked with a couple weeks ago, and he brought me a kit. Said he would like for me to put together in his personal car, and I'll have a video of that here shortly, along with a few other videos. But that's what I got going on. Continue working on my NASCARs. Now I got another project along with the other group builds going on. I got a Porsche group build that's in the works. Andrew and I are working on a helicopter as well. In military stuff, Marine stuff has always been a big and dear to me. I am a jarhead. Like once they say, once a jarhead, always a jarhead. So just keep me in mind and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any videos. I'm a lot better builder than I am a talker. That's for sure. But I appreciate you guys, and you'll have a great week.